I think this visit not only allowed us with the opportunity to broadcast our state-of-the-art laboratory, which now houses extremely specialized equipment, but I think it also allowed us with the opportunity to actually network with these individuals and showcase rather that we do function as a unit, and that whatever we have done during the coronavirus pandemic is as a result of funding from these external bodies, funding from people such as the DSI, funding from government organizations and from the university themselves. And it's research that has been ongoing for years prior to this COVID pandemic. And because we were so well equipped and we were able to establish ourselves during the years, we were able to rather respond to coronavirus in such a timely manner that we did as a country. And I think that's actually one of the greatest things around, because for one of the first times we were on par with the rest of the world and the rest of the scientific community in terms of our turnaround time with regards to this whole pandemic.
The delegates visited the Biomedical Research Institute, or BMRI, and we showed them different parts of the building, and these parts represent different types of research that is being done. So we started off with the genomics lab, or the genetics lab, and this is where human samples can be processed to extract things like RNA or DNA. On the second floor, we looked at facilities that enable us to look at how the body reacts against infections. So we call that immunology, and we study antibodies and we study immune cells and how they defend against pathogens like viruses or bacteria. And on the third floor, we see a very advanced sequencing laboratory. Sequencing means that one looks at the genetic building blocks of pathogens, and these help us to identify new strains. So if there are spontaneous mutations that happen within infected people, so these bacteria or viruses change their genetic makeup, we need to detect that, and we need to then predict how that is going to affect the human immune responses.
We have seen here at this facility that at SERI, we see also the advancement, again also thanks to your support and also the support of other multilateral organizations in terms of us being able now to participate at the high level of science in terms of research, in terms of genomics, sequencing, and also the production of the mRNA vaccines. So we say thank you to all of you for your support and participation, that today at least we can be able to showcase this.
It is a great honor to host such a high-level delegation, and we believe that this type of building and its collaborative opportunities will attract further funding to Africa and help us to build capacity, both on infrastructure side but also on human capital side across Africa, for the development of African solutions for African challenges.